అందరికీ నమస్కారం మళ్ళీ ఫంక్షన్ ఈ ఫెస్ట్ ని అయ్యో ఐ కెన్ హియర్ యూ రే ఓకే హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ ఎంజాయ్ దిస్ మ్యూజికల్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఆల్ గుడ్ ఇట్స్ ఆసమ్ యూ వాంట్ us to do it all over again would you come the second time okay now since all the fun and games are over let me get to the point what happens in our society all the boys one of my friends actually told me something my friend was like all of them if a guy likes a guy I mean in a respecting way they confess if a girl likes a guy they confess but then neither a guy nor a girl will ever confess that they actually respect or like a girl. Why do you think that is? None of you have an answer, do you? Like, do you realize that your mothers, your sisters, your girlfriends, your friends, everyone are struggling to earn that respect? Do you realize that? How many of you agree with me? So have you ever asked a girl in your house what they want to become when they grow up? Have any of you asked? Like I do. I see like 3-4 hands. Have you asked? Really? Sure. But then what happened was in my house, when I asked that I wanted to become an actress, everyone said don't become an actress, it's not safe. Why do you want to work so hard? You can just be in your house, you can chill and all of that. But then today I fought for what I loved. I fought for what I loved and I'm standing in front of all of you right now. And even if you don't scream for me, I will still make you listen because when I talk, you listen. You get that? And I've got to that spot. So I'm telling each one of you right now, if you fight for what you love, you can stand in my place and I will be listening to you talk. Do you want to get there? How many of you want to get there doing this music festival right now? So I wish all of you fight for what you love and get to my spot because it's bloody amazing here. Right? Doesn't it look cool? Yeah, it does look cool. I mean, I'm feeling awesome. But anyways, it's very important for each and every girl to watch this film because what is this, romance or action or whatever. But I want all of you to know this message we are sending across to you. Like I don't want you to come and watch the film for the romance and action. I'm repeating myself again. I want you to come and watch this film because of the message it's going to carry through. And you are going to listen to the message because the movie is so bloody amazing. Isn't it, Vij? Oh, you can't hear? Oh, he can't hear. Just say yes. See? But anyways, this is a bit of a message which I wanted to convey. Are you going to take me seriously or not? Women, men, ladies and gentlemen, are you going to take me seriously or not? How many of you are going to watch this film for the message and not just the romance and the action? You're going to watch it not for the romance and action, but for the message, right? Sweet.